What are you doing?
Oh.
Playing in the snow? Oh, gosh. Snow? Grandpa's shoveling it. What is that stuff? What is that stuff? Whoa. What are you doing? Say hi. Hey, up here. Psst. Hi. Cheese. You're so funny. We've never seen so much snow before. Yeah. Duh. She wants to help shovel some snow.
Okay, there you go. Knock yourself out. Ready? Ready? Put both hands up. Nice.
Oh, yeah. And
Ready?
it's
Now we throw.
raining right now. Oh! Was that fun, Jordan? Yay! Say hi. Can you wave over here? Hi. Okay, she's way too into the snow. Yeah. Uh-oh.